just sing like rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children wants to play. Like
Yeah, we got free chocolate. Nurul.
I get this. Bonjour à tous.
Yeah, chocolatier.
Nous sommes très heureuses aujourd'hui.
And you make, it's called Monggo chocolate. Monggo.
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 Bonjour.
this is
Wishing list. Today
we are. Where are we today? Where are we today?
we are in Monggo Chocolate.
As you can see.
Right.
Chocolate Factory here in Yogyakarta.
That's
Yeah, very famous for their chocolate.
Yeah.
And other than that, we have our new friend. Okay, introduce yourself.
Halo semuanya, saya Nurul Aminah. I'm Nurul from Indonesia.
So we are very excited because today we will be making chocolate by ourselves because we will be chocolate.
Yes.
Yeah, chocolate.
Yeah, and this is Monggo, and how to say it in French, Edith?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
I don't really remember.
It's like bonjour.
Something like that.
Bonjour. Okay.
Okay, so see you and hope you will enjoy the day today with us.
So what's your name? Abid. From Mexico. Wow, that's the origin of chocolate. And Nurul from Indonesia. Jogja?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Lia.
Mbak Lia.
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 Rania from Egypt.
From Egypt. Great. I hope I can visit Egypt soon.
Amin.
So here we use dark chocolate. This is dark chocolate 58%, like this. Yeah, this is 58%. Meanwhile, we have 58, 69, 77, and 86, even 100%. No sugar. And then we can create our own chocolate with this. Okay. We can make any shape of chocolate, but I will show you how to make the simple one, the most simple chocolate. Yeah. So the size, you put it here back to make it more, yeah, in a better shape. We can tap it for about 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then so this is orange peel, and we have also dried mango, and this is cashew nut, and also we have coconut. So you can choose your own toppings. You can sprinkle it. Yeah,
Smiley face.
smiley face.
Cute.
One example. Yeah. If you want to make the other shape, yes, you can. Just make the pattern first. Take the pattern. This, and then fill it up. And don't forget to tap tap. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. That's it.
Okay, I will try a heart. That's. I don't know.
Actually, I expected you will do a heart.
Sulit.
It's okay.
Then
Baby heart.
Yeah. And then. Okay, and then which one it would be good? Maybe some of this. I don't know what it is, but
Want to make here before it's getting dry? It's okay.
ta-da!
Do it too.
Wow, real artist.
Yes. She's skillful. Oh.
So, we have the chocolate here. I will do pyramids for Egypt. I hope it will be a good pyramid.
And then I can work here. I will apply.
Okay.
This is the mummy, the place for the mummy. And this is the whole pyramid.
I saw the latest news from Egypt. They found new mummies, right?
Yes,
200 mummies.
this is a new mummy they found.
Maybe that's why a lot of stuff is happening in the world. You know?
Can you talk about your artwork here?
I have a new animal here. It's supposedly butterfly, but it looks like more like a dragonfly.
Wow, 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 I see.
Apple.
No, I want to.
A cat.
Yes.
My cat, Zafarana, because she loved the cat more than me.
Also good. Also good.
So artistic.
I can work here. I will.
You can find here.
It's more like a circle.
It's more like a monkey.
It's more like a mommy.
Pamije.
Yes.
I will leave it to your imagination.
More like
What is that?
a bat.
Okay, so after we made the chocolate, so next we're going to put it in the fridge over there. Yeah. And after this, we can go to the museum. Yeah.
Hey, okay.
Only 3 years ago, I know that chocolate comes from fruit. I know it comes from seed for sure, but like the first time to try the fruit itself was here in Indonesia 3 years ago. This is how the seeds look like.
We call it bean to bar. From the cocoa beans becomes the chocolate bar over here. Actually, we have two factories here in Bangun Jiwo and the other one in Kota Gede.
Me, it's such a nice feeling, like to see how something from Mexico now is in all over the world. It's so fantastic. And yeah, my ancestors believed that chocolate was the food of gods. So they really, very often they drank this. And mostly, yeah, like Moctezuma, which was one of the main governors in the pre-Hispanic culture.
Welcome to Monggo Museum, and I will introduce our owner here, that one. That is Mr. Thierry de Tournay. He is from Belgium, and he's been in Jogja since 2001. He was a tourist, and he stayed here. And then in 2005, because he really loved chocolate, so he made his own chocolate. And then he shared it to his friends. And everybody said that the chocolate is really good. Not too sweet, not too bitter. And then in 2005, Mr. Thierry sold this chocolate, but not in a shop like this. He used kind of motorcycle or Vespa, the pink Vespa at that time. And in 2010, he made his first factory in Kota Gede. Yeah, and then in 2017, he made here, Bangun Jiwo.
We will see. So in 2005, the transportation is just motorcycles, as we know, that one. And then the stores, of course, that time, because it's just starting, we have no stores. But the staffs are just 7, so the factory space, and just 1 kilo a day. Imagine that, the production. However, as time passes by, you see, like 163, and now they're having 300 kilograms a day. That's the year 2015. How about now, 2020? Like more than that.
From zero to hero. Yeah. Chocolate in Yogyakarta. So Gunung Kidul is is the biggest chocolate production in Yogyakarta. And then is Sleman, the near city from Yogyakarta, and it's Kulon Progo and Bantul. So I'm from Gunung Kidul. I'm very happy.
As a whole, like the experience today, it was so nice, and we didn't expect like we will have the chance to make our own chocolate by ourselves and seeing the process. And also, it was very interesting for us to know the story of the factory and how they started. It was inspiration also like for us in our future not to lose hope. But my favorite part doing the chocolate. Yeah, this is
Trying to have the perfect shape for my chocolate, and also wearing the chocolatier. I forgot the word for the people who works with chocolate. The best experience because they invite me to join these activities, and this is my first time to make a chocolate.
So funny because before we start this vlog, they asked me, Dian, have you ever thought of you making your own chocolate? And I said, no, I never thought of it. And honestly, I don't like chocolate because they're so sweet. I like dark chocolate, however. And then I like it. I enjoyed the experience, and I found my new career.
this is all for today. We was your chocolate maker.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed our vlog.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Wishing
Happy face.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, and if you are interested to share with us about your wishing, any wish list you have, you can share it with us in our Instagram wishing list 123 123. So hope you like our video, and we will waiting for your comments and you share your experience too with us and your wishing. See you in the next video. Bye. What are you writing there?
our Instagram. What are your Instagrams? Wishes, wishing lives. Ta-da!